Welcome to Helen A. Fort Middle School. We are excited to have our new 7th grade students and returning 8th grade students back for a new school year. This orientation will help you become more comfortable with the school building and some of its procedures. Your administrators at Helen A. Fort Middle School are Principal Ms. Strege, Assistant Principal Mr. Bennett, and Assistant Principal Mr. Elinski. This orientation will cover the following topics: arrival and breakfast procedures, the bell schedule, building layout introduction, the hallway pattern and pass system, the cafeteria procedures, a cell phone policy, Chromebooks, bus dismissal, and events and milestones. Arrival and breakfast. Students taking the bus to school will be dropped off at 2 separate entrances. 7th graders will be dropped off at the room 1 doors. 8th grade students will be dropped off in front of the building by the auditorium. All students dropped off by their guardians by the auditorium will enter at the 8th grade drop-off point. Parents cannot drop off students until 7:55 a.m., but may line up beforehand. When entering the building, students have the option of getting breakfast. If students opt to pass the breakfast line, they are not permitted to return and must report directly to homeroom. Bell schedule. The students will follow a 2-tone bell schedule. 7th and 8th graders will have separate transition times and will be dismissed by different bell tones. This is to alleviate traffic during transition periods and keep 7th and 8th graders from congregating for cleaner transitions and student timeliness to class. Building layout introduction. The building is comprised of different wings, namely the 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60 wings. This may be difficult to navigate at first, but in time you will grow comfortable navigating the hallways. The 30 wing will contain most office areas, including the nurse, administrative offices, the child study team, and guidance offices. Please note, the auditorium is currently being renovated to start the school year, so band and chorus locations have temporarily been relocated. Helen Fort Hall Pass System. The school has 3 student bathrooms which are staffed by teacher monitors. Students must sign in to use the lavatories. Depending on your hallway, you will have a different color pass to use if you request to use the lavatory pass. This helps school staff keep track of where you should be in an effort to keep students from wandering the hallways. Each classroom has a set of color passes for different offices, including technology, the nurse, administrative offices, child study team, and guidance. All students must have a pass to enter the hallways. Cafeteria procedures. There are 4 lunch periods. All students must arrive to their lunch periods on time. There will be 7th and 8th grade lunch lines. Students will be issued assigned seats the first few days of school. Students must be seated at all times in the cafeteria unless they request to use the lavatory, or they're in the lunch line, or they're discarding trash. Recess will not be regularly scheduled, but may be permitted on fair weather days when determined to be appropriate by school staff and administration. Cell phones. At Helen A. Fort Middle School, our focus is on education and student safety. Cell phones have proven to be a learning distraction and tool used in teasing and bullying incidents, especially with middle school students. For this reason, the school's rule for cell phones is to keep them off and away all day. Chromebooks. At Helen A. Fort Middle School, every student is issued a Chromebook for use in class and at home. Every student is responsible for following the Student Device Handbook. Chromebooks must be charged and ready for school every day. Chromebooks must be brought to school every day. And lastly, Chromebooks are school property and every student is responsible for keeping their Chromebook in good condition and operating order. Bus dismissal. Students must take their assigned bus home. Students must remain in their 9th period class until their bus is announced for dismissal. Students for everyday parent pickup will report to a designated location and will be released by school staff upon parent arrival. Students attending an after-school activity will take their 4:30 late bus home. Students will be provided their after-school activity bus by their coach or activity proctor. At times, students will take a 5:30 late bus home, which is decided by the after-school activity coach or proctor. Events and milestones. There are many exciting events and milestones that Helen A. Fort Middle School has to celebrate and honor our students. Our events and milestones include character education events, Green and White Day, which is our version of Field Day, 7th and 8th grade dances, the 8th grade promotion, and Zest Fest, our end of the year celebration for all students. In order for students to attend some of these functions, they will need to have good disciplinary record by having under 15 demerits. Student attendance and grades may also impact a student's ability to attend these functions. Our aim is to support all students so they have the opportunity to attend these functions. However, it is ultimately a student's responsibility to take appropriate steps to do so.